Here's how we can easily clean the charging port or the USB port on a Motorola Moto G56 by using household items. So essentially what you need to do is, first of all, you want to turn off the phone. You don't want to clean the charging port when the phone is powered on. So you want to shut it down, and then we can start cleaning the port. And what you can use in this case? Well, if you want to clean the charging port, you can use, of course, a flashlight as an additional tool that allows you to look inside the port and check for lint, dust, and debris. You can use a toothpick, like a, of course, wooden toothpick, for example, or a plastic toothpick. A skewer works as well, like a wooden or bamboo skewer works as well. And you can carefully scrape out any visible lint or dirt. You don't want to push too deep, of course, just the surface. You can use a soft toothbrush, and you can gently or lightly brush the charging port. Remember to use a dry toothbrush, of course. You don't want to use a wet toothbrush. And you want to loosen and remove more dirt with the toothbrush. If you have compressed air, then you can give a few short bursts while holding the can upright in order to clean the port as well. And last but not least, you can also use a Q-tip or cotton swabs. You can lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol, squeeze out excess, and then gently clean inside the port. You want to let it air dry, of course, before turning the phone back on. So keep that in mind. Now, here's what you cannot do or should not do. You must not use metal objects like paper clips, needles, and pins, because you can easily damage the port. And of course, because of that, you might not be able to, for example, charge your phone after that. Of course, don't use any water. You should not blow into the port with your mouth as well, because it adds moisture. And you don't want to force anything into the port, so don't use too much force, because you don't want to damage pins or something like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.